Everyone, in today's video we will see how to subscribe to GTA Plus on PC, Rockstar Launcher and Steam Setup Guide. So first, how to subscribe to GTA Plus on PC 2026. So you can subscribe a GTA Plus on PC only for $7.99 per month directly through the Rockstar store or the Steam store, provided you are playing the GTA 5 enhanced version on PC. Now, how to subscribe via Rockstar Game Launcher. So if you own the standalone Rockstar version of GTA Grand Theft Auto 5, follow these steps to subscribe. So open the Rockstar Game Launcher on your PC, click on the GTA Plus tab located in the main navigation menu and click the Join Now or Manage the GTA Plus button. Then complete the checkout process using the preferred payment method. Now how to subscribe via Steam. So if your game is tied on the Steam library, you can manage the subscription through Steam platform ecosystem. So open the Steam and navigate to the official GTA Plus Steam subscription page. Then click the join now to select the auto renewal monthly plan. Then complete the transaction through your Steam wallet or linked payment method. Now launch the GTA online through the Steam. Your active Rockstar Social Club account will automatically link the benefits. Now activating the checking reward in game. So on subscribed, your premium perks apply automatically to your account. First one, monthly deposit. A bonus of GTA is 5 lakh dollar is sent straight to the Maze bank account. The next, the Winwood Club. So access exclusive vehicle claim and 100 car garage space. In-game check to confirm your status or see current rotation. Then open the pause menu in GTA Online and go to the online tab and select GTA Plus membership. So goodbye and thanks for watching.